Rod the Tool Guy here for ARES Tools. Today we're going to be featuring our 3-liter vacuum brake bleeder, and this is the 3-liter version of our best-selling 70923 1-liter bleeder. Love the larger size reservoir for large bleeds or multiple jobs before needing to empty it. The locking manual trigger and the nice stable base help you so you can work hands-free. Also suitable for evacuating fluids from engine, transmission, power sports, and marine applications. Connects to standard workshop air compressors. You need a working pressure of 85 to 116 psi with a minimum of 2 CFM is required to draw a good vacuum. It is designed for hydraulic disc or drum brake systems. So first off, you want to remove the lid of the vehicle's brake fluid reservoir and keep the lid removed until the bleeding and refuel procedure is finished. This prevents a vacuum from occurring in the system that leads to incomplete purging of the air from the system. You want to connect your brake fluid bleeder to a suitable air compressor to make sure the connection is secure and there's no loss in vacuum. You want a good and constant air supply. Start with the wheel furthest from the master cylinder or what the manufacturer says for your vehicle. Make sure the bleeder screw is clean and unrestricted. Mount the black rubber hose connector until it's firmly fitted to the bleeder. Open the nipple about a quarter turn counterclockwise. Activate the brake bleeder's trigger and lock it down. The vacuum created will draw the brake fluid from the brake system. Check the level of the brake fluid in the reservoir periodically during the procedure and top it off if necessary. You do not want to draw air into the system. Continue to bleed the system until there are no air bubbles visible in the hose and the fluid is clean. This is where the convenience of the transparent hose comes in handy. Keep the suction applied until the bleeder screw is firmly seated so air cannot backflow into the system. Close the brake nipple and remove the rubber hose connector. Depress the trigger to remove the fluid from the transparent hose. Repeat the process on all 4 wheels. So when you want to use this for other extractions, you want to park your vehicle on level ground and ensure the transmission of the vehicle is in neutral or park, and apply the parking brake. So you want to connect your extractor to suitable air compressor to make sure that the connection is secure and no loss of vacuum. And you want to remove the brake nipple adapter from the hose and place the hose into the fluid reservoir until it reaches the bottom. And be sure not to kink the hose. You want to activate the trigger, you can lock it down, the vacuum is created and it's going to draw your fluid from the vehicle's reservoir. Once the extraction is complete, deactivate the trigger, stop the vacuum, and dispose of any fluids in accordance with local regulation, and thoroughly clean your tool. Well, there you have it, folks, the ARES 18078 3-liter vacuum brake fluid bleeder. Remember to dispose of your fluids properly in accordance with your local regulations and clean your bleeder thoroughly. If you found the demo helpful, please let us know with a like or a comment down below. Also, if there's a tool you'd like us to go over, let us know in the comments and we will try to go over it in our next one. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.